Hello, everybody at the Shaw-IAU Workshop. My name is Siramas Komonjinda from Thailand. Today, I will show you an activity that related to research we are doing on heritage sites in our country and hope you can get some idea for your future public activity. This is our team. We are lecturers from Chiang Mai University, researchers from the National Astronomical Research Institute of Thailand, and amateur astronomers. We are working on the history and heritage of astronomy in Thailand. In order to conduct this research, we have to work on the heritage sites together with archaeologists. And we found that astronomy is new for them, and everyone can earn something from the astronomical observation. First, let me introduce you about the term archaeoastronomy. This is a knowledge of ancient astronomy. Even ancient people are naked eye astronomers. They use many kinds of instruments to observe, from small instruments like a quadrant to a large instrument like the monument. Astronomy appears in many things, from tangible properties like this engraved bone with lines as the day of moon counting found in France, which as old as 12,000 years old, or this latest World Heritage Site, the prehistoric Shangyo Observatory in Peru, to something tangible like star law and calendar. Many heritage sites of several cultures were built to support this ancient astronomical observation. In order to understand ancient knowledge, we have to observe astronomical phenomena as the ancient people did. Our group is from Thailand in Southeast Asia. This is a country which is well known for tourists in coverage of cultures and natural resources. If you've never been here, we wish to welcome you sometime after the pandemic. Thailand, or known as Siam, is actually a combination of many kingdoms in the past. Many historical kingdoms are popular for tourists, including Ayutthaya, Sukhothai, or Kamphaengphet. Until these days, a tourist will find the difference in culture, language, and food between each part of Thailand. These are the heritage of the long history of the descendants of those kingdoms. It is also a cultural exchange with other surrounding kingdoms such as Khmer Empire, Pagan Kingdom, China, and India. It creates a specific knowledge in many subjects, including astronomy. Our group is based in Chiang Mai. The city was the capital of Lanna Kingdom from 1296. The kingdom was established in 1262 and it became part of Siam in late 18th century. This photo shows the bird's eye view of Chedi Luang, a Buddhist pagoda in Chiang Mai, built in 14th century. The pagoda was 82 meters high with a base of 54 meters, but the upper 30 meters was collapsed after an earthquake in 1551. You can see the plan of the pagoda as it is related to Buddhist cosmology. In our research, several heritage sites were studied in their relationship with astronomical knowledge, especially those in Lanna and the southeastern part of Thailand. There are mostly Buddhist monuments related to 10th to 13th century. These places are not only religious monuments, but also used as astronomical instruments. For today's example, we will show you the place we recently conduct our research. It is at Prasat Hin Phnom Rung in Buriram, southeastern part of Thailand. This is a Hindu Buddhist temple complex of Khmer Empire which dates back to 10th century. Twice a year, sunrise can be observed through the main monuments, and recent study revealed with the observation of spica, which could be used for the calendar creating. Although the observation can be simulated with modern technique, but to understand what people did against the same environment, we have to be on the same situation. It is required a special access to the National Reserve Area, both during the tourist visiting time and after dark, and also a long-term observation. Archaeologists and historians can gain the experience on how ancient people used the site. This could help them understand more about the site, such as the interpretation of inscription. The observation also supports in tourism. The knowledge of astronomy can make the story of the site more interesting, and the observation experience can gain tourists an invaluable experience. It is also the impact on local people. Many historical sites were abandoned as it was useless by means of present-day activity. The knowledge of astronomical use of sites should be spread out, not only to keep the site persist, but also to make the pride on local knowledge. For more than 30 years, the integrated learning through the unified concept technique was initiated by Professor Samayot In. It was used at Chiang Mai University to train PhD students, and today for high school students in science classroom in university program. The technique found a success story as it gives the new generation scientists understand the relation between science and history. We can conclude here that in order to give people a good experience in astronomy and to learn science, it is not always necessary to use a latest model of telescope, but to make them impressed is more important. At this position, I would like to thank to the Department of Fine Arts for their permission to access and work on many heritage sites. This work is conducted with the research grant from the Thailand Science Research and Innovation. Last but not least, I would like to thank the organizing committee of the third Shaw-IAU Workshop for giving me a time to share our experience. If you have any question, you can ask during the Q&A or email me at this address. Thank you for your attention.